As per our for the most part current LDO cost expectation, the worth of LDO will expanded by 208.44%, coming to $5.48 by end of 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. All specialized markers demonstrate that the fundamentally current feeling is negative, while the trepidation and avarice file certainly is perusing 19.72, which really implies in every practical sense intense apprehension. Our LDO conjecture, it's hazardous to in every way that really matters. Sell LDO at this moment, or so they thought, on September 21, 2023. Practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while exceptionally different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative opinion among LDO cost expectations, which in a real sense is very huge. See the specific LDO cost expectation underneath. You will know the amount LDO in a real sense is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout the course of recent days, LDO has diminished by 7.33%, which is very huge. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of LDO expanded by 112.54% and came to approach around $3.21. Presently, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and ravenousness file shows 19.72 by and large intense feelings of trepidation, which is genuinely huge. As indicated by our gauge, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell LDO, or so they by and large thought. Presently, LDO for the most part is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving normal. For the most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA generally has shown a LDO selling signal. The cost of LDO is presently running beneath the 50-day in every practical sense, basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and it explicitly shows a sell signal. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will basically hit $2.02 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, LDO's momentary 50-day SMA shows a $1.66. The by and large relative strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, which is genuinely critical. RSI is right now at her Civilu. This shows that the LDO market is in an unbiased position. LDO value expectation 2023 in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023. LDO came to $2.80, when it basically dipped under 97 cents interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market trades, LDO most certainly is headed to passing the $3.30 mark before the current year is over. Before $3.30, it might break its sign of $11 and reach. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, LDO will explicitly break its past all-time high of $11 and hold somewhere in the range of $2.97 and $3.30 soon, or so they thought. At this point, on 21 September 2023, LDO is exchanging at $1.51, and its 24-hour exchanging volume by and large is around 36.17 M, and it for the most part makes number 32 cash in the truly entire crypto world. LDO value expectation 2024, there generally is plausible that LDO can in every practical sense get through the $3.92 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least LDO cost will be between $3.25 to $3.92, and the most probable LDO cost will be extremely consistent at around $3.63 toward the finish of 2024. Despite LDO's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically disagreeable energy use, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper especially is adhering to his forecast that LDO will reach $3.92 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, which is very huge. LDO value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that LDO will begin the year at $4.45 and exchange around $5.48. As per their expectations, this would be very high contrasted with last year in an unobtrusive manner. This by and large is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. LDO Value Expectation 2026. There truly is a decent opportunity that LDO 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it generally is likewise conceivable that it may not in every practical sense arrive at its normal most extreme $6.86 level. LDO is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking high of $6.75 or $6.86 in 2026. And it could really be the time of LDO in an unpretentious manner. LDO Value Forecast 2027. LDO Value Expectation, or LDO, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, LDO's cost in every way that really matters is supposed to outperform $6.86 in 2027. It has been anticipated that LDO will truly arrive at the most extreme cost of $6.86, and the base cost is supposed to be around $5.79 in the following a long time from 2027. LDO Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists especially foresee fundamentally say that LDO Value Forecast and Specialized Examination LDO is supposed to cross a value level of $7.82 in 2028. In the meantime, LDO is supposed to arrive at an exceptionally least cost of $7.16 this year. The greatest cost might reach $8.30. LDO Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the LDO Value Forecast and Specialized Examination truly foresee that the expense of LDO will reach $11.11, and the cost of LDO ought to reach $11.11 before the year is over in a significant manner. Also, LDO can explicitly reach up to $10.19 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for LDO development, which is very huge. LDO Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, LDO Value Forecast are supposed to really cross the $15.11 normal cost level, as per LDO estimate and specialized investigation, which is very huge. Toward the finish of 2030, LDO's for the most part least cost is supposed to be $14.72, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, LDO can really arrive at a most extreme value level of $15.68 in an unpretentious manner. Toward the finish of 2030, LDO will truly have a typical cost of $15.68, which is genuinely huge. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift. LDO Value Forecast 2031. LDO cost is assessed to reach $20.75